Okay guys, today's video is mag-open tayo this fabulous gift that I received. Okay, let's go. Look at that. Pink Rose Bath Bomb. Only for you. Okay, let's check what is this. Oh, it's a candle. Only for you. It's a candle. Scratch bomb. Last one is look at that. Wow, it's a cup. Best mom ever. Oh, thank you so much. Actually, guys, this is my gift from last Christmas, and I just opened today. And this is what I got. Thank you so much, G, for my gift. For sure, I'm gonna use this today. So, thank you so much. So, this is all I got. So, this one. Like that. That one candles actually is a set of bath for the bath. So right, I'm gonna run the water and I'm gonna get into the bath to use this on. So okay, let's go to the bath and run the water. At ito guys, unbox din natin bath pillow. Gagamitin ko para sa sa bath. Ayan, buksan natin. Siya. Yan. So, gawin natin mamaya pag napuno na yung ang bath ng tubig. So, yan siya. So, yan. Run the water. Tapos, ilagay natin yung ito. Yan. So, yan. Magtimpla na ako ng kape bago mag-bath. Coffee. And milk. Dinagdagan ko ng kape kasi parang malabnaw kanina. And light the candle. Punta na sa bath para maligo. So, ayan na guys. Ilagay ko dyan yung cup ko at saka yung candle. At yan, maliligo na ako. Let's go. Ang sarap. Share ko lang sa inyo yan kasi nga magre-relax ako. Let's go in the bath. Ayan, sinara ko na rin yung curtains kasi maliwanag pa para medyo naman romantic ang aking sit-up. Oh, ang sarap. Ang galing-galing. Maliligo na si ako. Karolit. So, ayan. Maliligo na ako. Get into the bath. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. I need some more cold water because it's hot. Oh, nice and hot. I'm gonna sleep in here.